What's up? It's Sunday, June 21st, 2026, and we're here down in Long Branch, New Jersey. And right now it's 4:37 p.m. Such a great day here. We're gonna walk along the, it's like a boardwalk, I guess you can say, but it's concrete. And we're gonna walk around. There's a lot of people here today walking around. This is actually, it looks like the busiest I've seen Long Branch that we've been down here when I've done videos in Long Branch. So yeah, today's pretty cool. So we have Pier Village that way. Pier Village is like the kind of the main spot here, but there's so many people walking this way. And so we'll walk this way, see what's cracking down here. And you see there's a lot of people on the beach. And we don't really plan on going on the beach today. Just did a couple beach videos. We did Seaside, Point Pleasant. But today's the first day of summer, so the beaches actually aren't free today. So in New Jersey, I believe Coney Island is free. It should be still free, so we'll probably do that one soon. That is in the plans. But yeah, so today we're gonna walk along, I guess you call it the boardwalk. It's somewhat like a boardwalk, but it's concrete. So the concrete walk. I don't know what the technical term is for it. But yeah, let's stroll around. It's super cool. Super nice today. And it's 75 degrees, it says on my phone, but it feels so much warmer. And I just got a new pair of flip-flops, really nice Adidas, and I was gonna wear them, but I'm wearing my sneakers just in case it's better. With the walking videos, I generally try not to wear flip-flops, but down in this environment, you kind of want to, you know? So I kind of want to, but we're just wearing the sneakers for now. Yeah, the weather is so nice today. It really does feel great. I have the live stream equipment. I'll probably do a live stream pretty soon. If we do, it'll be on BRYAN, the Brian channel. Brian Pibry. Pibry is Pibry. I spell it out for the captions.
Aiden, what's airplane, eh?
We got a little big guy in his house. Our Pocket 3 camera, rocking and rolling. And that's Rooney's over there. It's a popular restaurant spot. A lot of people there. They might have a band or something going on. Looks like they might have some kind of live music, maybe. Or maybe not, I don't know. I'm not sure. But you can see it's very busy here in Long Branch today. And many New Yorkers come down here. I know a lot from Brooklyn come down here, probably Manhattan and all of that. Staten Island, I would think, also. But yeah, it's pretty lively today. As you see, there's quite a bit of people at the Rooney's over here. And I'm looking out in the ocean. I think you can see New York City, probably Brooklyn or something. I do see a lot of tall buildings way out there. You might not be able to see it on the camera. Way out there. I don't zoom because it's not super easy to zoom in and out with the big guy. I don't know why. It's not like, you know, when I zoom out, sometimes it doesn't zoom back this way. So yeah, they got a lot of music going on over here. Looks like a spot with might be a pool in there. Looks like a pool. Yeah, they got a band going on up there. Playing up there on top. That's a nice spot to gig out. To rock a party up there. There's a pool. Yeah, very cool, very cool. Nice spot, nice spot. It almost reminds me of like a cruise ship or something, but it's actual resort. So that's pretty cool. Best of both worlds. So that's definitely super cool. Super awesome. So yeah, this is our first walk here today. And yeah, so summer is kicked in. Today's Father's Day, so shout out to all the dads out there. If this is being watched on Father's Day, maybe not, but shout out anyway. And if it is, happy Father's Day. So yeah, this is a great day to be down here. And honestly, the plan today was Brooklyn, Chinatown. But wow, there was so much traffic that I just couldn't do it. I got over by the Outer Bridge. I did a lot of traveling today. Then I decided to come here. Anyway, yeah, so it was just way too much traffic everywhere else. So coming down here was simple, no traffic, and it made sense. So that's why we're here. And it was on our radar anyway for this summer to get down to Long Branch. Maybe once or twice. I mean, this is one of those places sometimes we could probably do more than once for the summer. It's a cool spot. But yeah, I think you can see New York from here, because out there I do see buildings. So it could be like Brooklyn or something like that. It might be visible here from the concrete walk, boardwalk, whatever you call it. Let's stroll down here to the end. As you can see, the beach right there. So yeah, this is walk along Ocean Avenue. This is Ocean Avenue. The street there. So it's like Ocean Avenue kind of concrete walk spot kind of thing. Alrighty. Yeah, we plan on hitting up Pier Village, which is behind me today, pretty soon, and all of that. So this is like the end of the concrete spot here, concrete walk. And this kind of reminds me of Coney Island a little bit, this spot right here. So we're not going to go on the beach, but let's see if we can go up here without anybody saying anything. I don't know. Just trying to get a view of the ocean, that's it. Not really going on the beach. But yeah, it's really jumping today, as you can see. Very jumping, as you can see. I don't know. It does cost money to go on the beach, from what I know. So we're not gonna shoot onto the beach for now. And it's better to just play it cool. Lifeguard on duty, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. So it's probably till like 5 p.m. And yeah, I think I do see New York City, New York out there. Maybe not exactly New York City. I don't know. I see some tall buildings. Probably Brooklyn and all of that. I'm just guessing. But yeah, so let's get a view here, like a bird's eye view. The beach and everything. Seaview Avenue Beach. Yeah, such a great day down here. Long Branch in the his house.